This is experiment number 6, that is 4 queen problem. In this problem we are given with the 4 cross 4 matrix and also 4 queens, and we need to place these 4 queens inside this matrix such a way that no two queens are exactly horizontally, vertically or diagonally next to each other. That means if the queen is present at this position, then we cannot insert another queen to the left, to the right of it, to the top of it, to the left of it, to the bottom of it, or any other diagonal position of it. So now let's have a look at the implementation of the same using the Python. So these are the supportive methods. This is the draft. First, I am initializing a variable n2 for that is row and column of the matrix. As we are using 4 cross 4 matrix, that's why I'm initializing n is equal to 4, and then I'm initializing the matrix to empty list, and then row list, row is equal to list which is empty, and then for j in range n, that is j will run from 0 to 3 and insert append the start into the star into the rows. After that we append the particular row in our matrix. After that I am calling a show matrix method, which is used to display the matrix content. For that I am passing actual matrix and also n, that is the size of our matrix. So here is that method, show matrix. So in this method we are just running two for loops, for nested for loops for I from 0 to 3, j is also from 0 to 3, and we are just printing the matrix value from at the position I to j. And this is just to print the row number, and this is just to print the star to end, and this will go for the next line. After that I have initialized a flag winner is equal to false, and this will be used to monitor whether the goal is achieved or not. And this while loop will be run till the winner is not equal to true. That means while winner is equal to false, that while loop will be run. So I'm printing a new game just to make it realistic, and then I'm asking user to enter the position of win 1 for row 1, row 0, uh, and r0 and c0 are the row and column value, that is the position of queen position. After that we need to validate the inputs entered by the user. That means a row value entered by the user should be equal to the row for which that particular position is asked, and the column value should not be exceed the 4, because the matrix is 4 by 4 matrix. So if the valid input is equal to true, then we'll perform the further actions. So in this valid input we are passing the user input and the 0. 0 means the row of for which the position which is given. For this we are no need to validate the pin position. As per the game rule, there is no previous queen added in the matrix, so this is the row 0, and only the only queen which is added very first. So here we don't need to check the position of the current queen according to the previous queen. That is here is So here the row must be equal to the row for which the given position is asked. That means that if the position for the row 0 is asked, then the row value should be 0 only. So if the r is equal to 0 and thus column value is less than equal to 4, then this will return true, and else it will print please enter valid location or input. So if the valid input is true, then we are adding a queen for that particular location or position in the matrix, and we are again calling a show matrix method to display the matrix. And if the input are not valid, then the loop will break and the user will lose the game. Then same for the row 1. Here also we are asking for the user to enter the position of the queen 2, that is for the row 1. Here we are validating the user input and the queen position according to the previous row queen position. And here we already have one queen in our matrix, that's why we need to validate the position of the first queen. So first we are validating the user input and then validating the position of the queen. For that I have implemented the validate position method, which takes 5 parameters. First is matrix position method, then we pass 5 parameters. In this validate position method we pass the 5 parameters matrix, then row column of the new queen and the row column of the previous queen respectively. Here in this method we need to check the 3 conditions. First we need to check if the new queen is same column as the previous column, that is the column of the new queen is equal to the column of the previous queen. Then we need to check if the new queen is on the left diagonal of the previous queen. For that we need to check if the row of the new queen is equal to the row of the previous queen plus 1, and the column of the previous queen and to the column of the previous queen minus 1. Or we need to check if the new queen position is at the right diagonal of the previous queen. That means row of the new queen is equal to the row of the previous queen plus 1, and column of new queen is equal to the column of previous queen plus 1. And if any of these 3 conditions are satisfied, then print the wrong choice, you lost the game, and it will return false. And else it any of these conditions are not true, then it will return true. So here if the both of these methods are written true, then only we can add the queen for that particular location given by the user, and then again show a matrix to the user. And if any one of this method false, then we can say we can break the loop. Then we are doing the same operations for the row 2 and row 3 as well. After the row 3, here is the both of these 2 methods written true, and if the condition will be true, and we will assign q to that particular matrix for that position given by the user. We will show the matrix and print that user will won the game, and we assign the winner to the true. And as winner is true, now loop will break and user will be out from the game. So let me execute this code now. So as you can see, as output we got the empty matrix with all stars. Now it is asking me to enter the row position of the queen in row 0. So now it is and if I enter a row 1, then so let me enter 1 here and enter the column as 1. So it should give an error that this please enter the valid position, because it was asking me to enter the position of queen for row 0 and enter the row as 1. So now let me execute this again, and now let me give a valid input, that is 0 and 1. So as you can see, a queen is added at the position 0 1, that is row 0. Now it is asking me to enter the row position for the queen in row 1. So I misbehave here, that means let's add the queen at the left diagonal of the previous queen, that is row 1, and the column is 2. So the wrong choice, you will lose the game. So now logic of the code is working fine, that is it's checking all the rules of the game. Now let me execute this again with the valid inputs. So position of the queen in row 0 is 0 and 2 1, sorry. So the queen is added at the row 0. Now let me add the queen for the row 1 as 1 and column as 3. So now as you can see, the queen is added in to the row 1. Now let's add the queen to the row 2. So let me enter row as 2 and column as 0. So the here is also the queen is added successfully. Now it is asking me to enter the queen at the in the third row, that is the last row. Let me enter the row as 3 and the column as 3. So as you can see, all the four conditions are satisfied and the queen enters in the matrix by satisfying all the conditions. So I'll get the message you will won the game. Thank you.